In the heart of the African savannah, where the golden sun painted the sky at dusk, lived a curious little African civet named Kibo. Kibo was known for his sleek black coat, bushy tail, and eyes that sparkled with curiosity. One day, Kibo stumbled upon a glittering object half buried in the sand. It was a small, golden seed, shimmering under the sun's rays. Intrigued, Kibo decided to take it home. At night, Kibo's curiosity grew as he held the golden seed, its glow casting a warm light in his den. He longed to know its secret. But try as he might, he couldn't decipher its mystery. The next day, Kibo met his wise old friend, an owl named Bwana. Bwana, sensing Kibo's worry, asked him about the golden seed. Kibo shared his dilemma, and Bwana smiled, saying, "Patience, little one. The secrets of the universe are not always revealed instantly." Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Kibo continued to hold the golden seed, observing the world around him. He learned about the changing seasons, the rhythm of the stars, and the beauty of the savannah. One fateful night, under a canopy of twinkling stars, Kibo saw a shooting star. In that moment, he realized his mistake. He had been so focused on the golden seed's secrets that he had missed the beauty and wisdom the world offered. The next morning, Kibo let go of the golden seed, watching it return to the earth, its shimmering light fading away. He felt a sense of peace wash over him. He understood that true wisdom lies not in possessing something, but in seeing the world and learning from it. From then on, Kibo became wiser, his eyes no longer just reflecting the shimmer of the golden seed, but the radiance of the world's lessons. And so, the savannah taught Kibo that patience, observation, and understanding are the keys to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Moral: patience, observation, and understanding are the keys to unlocking the secrets of the universe.